Hi guys, it's DeLa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a $10 photo backdrop. The materials you will need are a hot glue gun with glue sticks, 2 cardboard trifolds, and a pack of wooden slats. You can get them from the craft store, Walmart, Dollar Tree, wherever. The first thing you're going to do is line up your trifolds, make sure they're completely unfolded. And then you're going to take your wooden slats, as seen here. I think this is a pack of 6 or 8. I don't remember. Doesn't matter. Whatever. Then you're going to glue them down. My glue gun looks dirty because that's how glue guns look in reality, and I didn't clean it. But yeah, you take them, you glue them to the back where the 2 boards meet, like so, to stabilize them. And you're done. That's it. I keep mine white because it's easier for me to edit personally, but you can use clips to like put different colored fabric to it, or you can spray paint it whatever color you want. And this is just a shot of the back so you can see how the wooden slats support the back of it. And these are just some examples of photos that I've shot and edited using my simple backdrop. Overall, the materials cost about $10 after taxes, so it's really cheap and affordable. It's also good because you can fold it and store it against a wall or like under your bed or somewhere, so it doesn't take up space, and it's good for like small areas where you don't have a lot of extra room to shoot. And that's it. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cosplay tutorials and other artsy shit that I like to do. And you can also follow me on Patreon, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Yeah, that's all. One day I'll get better at narrating, but today is not that day. Thanks for watching.